In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Facebook page to your Instagram account. This is a great way to manage your social media presence more efficiently and ensure your posts reach a wider audience. So, let's dive into the steps and make this process as smooth as possible. First, let's head over to Facebook. You'll want to open your web browser and type in the Facebook URL, or you can simply click on your bookmark if you have one. Once you're on Facebook, look for the profile icon, which is located at the top right corner of your screen. This icon usually resembles either your profile picture or a generic silhouette if you haven't set one yet. Give that a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. Next, from this drop-down menu, choose the Settings and Privacy option. This is where you can manage all your account settings, so it's a handy place to become familiar with. After selecting Settings and Privacy, you'll see another menu pop up. From here, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can configure various aspects of your Facebook account. Now, look over to the left-hand side menu. There, you'll find an option labeled Linked Accounts. Click on that, and it will bring you to a new page where you can see which accounts are currently linked to your Facebook profile. On the Linked Accounts page, look for the Instagram option. When you find it, click on it to proceed. Instagram is often at the top or near the top of this list, making it fairly easy to locate. Once you've clicked on Instagram, you'll be directed to a new section. This is where you can connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page. You'll see an option that says Connect Account. Click on this button, and a prompt will appear asking you to log in to your Instagram account. Go ahead and enter your Instagram credentials. Make sure you're using the account that you want to link with your Facebook page. After you've successfully logged in, Facebook and Instagram will take care of the rest. Linking your accounts together, once connected, you'll be able to manage your Instagram posts directly from your Facebook page, and vice versa. This integration allows for more streamlined social media management, which can save you time and help you reach a broader audience with your content. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your Facebook page to your Instagram account. Now you can enjoy the benefits of a more unified social media strategy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.